Migratory birds. Migratory birds are those birds that travel from one place to another at regular intervals over long distances. They migrate to escape the cold, harsh winter weather in search of food and a warm, cozy shelter. There are various types of migratory birds. Resident birds. Pigeons and doves are good examples. These birds just don't migrate. They are able to find food and warm shelter where they are staying. They might not travel a lot, but they do spread love all around from place to place. Short distance migrants. Robins are short distance migrants. As the name suggests, these birds move only a short distance from lower elevations to mountainside. Medium distance migrants. Blue jays are medium distant migrants. These birds travel over distances that cover several states. They don't really travel a lot, but not that they won't travel less. They're quite mischievous because they hunt more than they eat. Long distance migrants. The Arctic tern is an example of long distance migrants. These birds travel typically from United States and Canada to wintering grounds in Central and South America. They are the record holders for covering the longest distance of 44,000 miles. Just to let you know, the circumference of the Earth is approximately 29,000 miles. So imagine how much these birds travel. Challenges that birds facing during migration. The most common dangerous obstacles include tall glass buildings, electrical wires and poles, wind turbines, and similar structures. Starvation. The risk of starvation is increased when stopover sites are lost through climate change or loss of agriculture. Predators. Predators kill hundreds of thousands of birds each year, and during migration, migrating birds may be unaware of local predators at stopovers during their journey.